A quick home inspection can save you from expensive repairs and unpleasant surprises. In just 10 minutes, you can spot small issues before they turn into big problems. Here's your simple, step-by-step 10-minute home inspection checklist. Start at your front door. Check that the door opens and closes smoothly and that weather stripping is intact. Look for gaps where air or pests could enter. Next, walk around your exterior walls. Look for cracks, peeling paint, or signs of moisture damage. If you see gaps around windows, reseal them with caulk to prevent water leaks. Now glance at your roof line and gutters. Are the gutters clear of debris? Do you notice sagging or disconnected sections? Clogged gutters can cause major water damage over time, so a quick visual check is worth it. Head inside to your kitchen and bathrooms. Turn on faucets and check under sinks for leaks or damp spots. Make sure drains are flowing freely and that caulking around tubs and countertops is secure. In your living areas, look for cracks in walls or ceilings. Small ones are normal, but widening cracks may signal settling or structural issues. Test light switches and outlets to ensure they're working properly. Go to your windows, make sure they open, close, and lock easily. Check for drafts by feeling around the edges. If you sense cool air, add weather stripping or insulation tape. Now, inspect your floors. Listen for squeaks or soft spots, which could mean loose boards or hidden water damage. Rugs can hide problems. Lift them to check underneath. Move to your attic or basement if you have one. Look for signs of leaks, mold, or pests. Check insulation levels and ventilation. These areas are often where problems start. Don't forget your HVAC system. Make sure filters are clean, vents are dust-free, and airflow feels consistent in each room. A dirty filter makes your system work harder and costs more to run. Finally, test your safety devices. Check smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms. Replace batteries if needed. Make sure your fire extinguisher is accessible and not expired. In just 10 minutes, you've completed a mini home checkup. Doing this monthly helps you catch issues early, keep your home safe, and maintain its value. Remember, small habits prevent big headaches. Take those 10 minutes today, and your home will thank you later.